Today, I'm going to show you how to delete bookmarks in Firefox quickly and easily. If your bookmarks bar is getting cluttered, or you just want to remove a site you no longer use, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. It only takes a few seconds, and by the end you'll know how to clean up your Firefox bookmarks the right way. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From the menu options, click Bookmarks. This will show you your saved bookmarks and bookmark folders. Now, scroll through the list and find the bookmark you want to delete. If you have a lot of saved pages, take your time and make sure you choose the correct one, because once it's deleted, it will be removed from your bookmarks list. When you found the bookmark, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Delete Bookmark. Firefox will instantly remove that bookmark from your list. That's all there is to it. If you wanted to remove more bookmarks, just repeat the same steps for each one. You can use this method to keep your bookmarks organized, reduce clutter, and make it easier to find the sites you actually use. It's a simple cleanup step, but it can make a big difference if your bookmarks have gotten messy over time. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Firefox tips, browser shortcuts, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.